Okay, this is going to be very specific for middle school in North Carolina, Petite Bouree, All County, Western Region. I'm trying to get through this fast because we only have 3 minutes. Okay. Super easy. What I do first is I put the bow down. I teach the notes. G, F sharp, E, D, A, B, C, A, B, G. Do it again. This time you have a little variation, A, B, C, A, G, okay? Then we learn the next part because the first 2 lines repeat. So the second line is a repeat of the first line. So if you learn the first line, you know the second line. Then we go to measure 9, and we're kind of doing a variation of the same thing. A, B, C, A, B, C, D, B, C, D, E, F sharp, D. And then I don't use the 4 because that would take you to the other string. And if you ever want to play the lower note, we don't have to play the lower note. We only play the top note in this state for this audition. So I always have them go back on the G string because it wouldn't make any sense to go on the D string and play the 4th finger. So then you do it again, moving on to measure 11 and 12. It's kind of a repeat of the first measure. It's just a little simpler. And then the 4th line is exactly the same as the 3rd line. So basically when you've gotten 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1, 2, 3, 4, you have all the way up until 20 because it's just more repeating. At 17, it repeats the beginning. So the first line and second line are the same, the 3rd line and 4th line are the same, and then 17 is the same as the beginning. So you got it. All you need to do is practice the bowing. So what I do is I make sure that we can practice the bowing by going down, up, down, sorry. Down, up, down, down, up, down, and then we practice the reverse of that. Up, down, up, down, up. And so then we can do this thing at 9.